I'm Sarah again.
Hi, I'm Rachel and this is Sarah.
And we're going to install this sink vanity to the wall. We had to take it out because we wanted to put a new top on it, a new sink. And the old one was cast iron and we wanted to put this newer one, newer looking. The only problem was this lip wouldn't allow for this sink where the vanity was. So that's why we had to remove the vanity. We removed the sink, then we placed this sink right on top. Now we're trying to make sure we get it to the wall where this is flush with the wall and this is flush with that side of the wall. Right.
Part of the problem we ran into on this is that our vanity is going to be sitting on one side on the tile. The other side it's going to be probably 1/4 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch lower because it's just sitting on the concrete. So we're going to use our shims.
These are actually door shims, but we'll put 2 together since that's the thick side. Thin side, we'll just put 2 together, see if that's its thickness.
We're going to set them underneath that side of the vanity and then put it in place. Now we have our vanity cabinet in place. We've lined it up on the wall, it's flush with the wall, we've got it level. Now we're going to pre-drill our holes into this back board. We're going to hit a stud, at least that's the goal. Probably not a stud there, let's try here. Find out.
Try right here, Rachel. Try right
Oh, I
there.
tried everywhere but where you told me to try.
Oh,
That's what happens when you work with your sister. Right here?
right there.
Stud. There we go.
What was that?
It's the
You
stud.
said stud, so I showed up.
Oh, hello.
Hey there, Alan.
Handy Alan.
We're installing this vanity.
I figured you'd be done already. See, you need some
Wait.
professional help. I'll go.
What's
You're trying
that?
to tune me
What's
out.
that? I'm sorry.
All right.
Professional.
I'm not right there.
It was here. Oh,
Man, our viewers are going to have broken ears. Won't be able to hear after that.
that's solid.
That's
You
pretty
wonder
good.
why I'm deaf.
I'm sorry, what? Alright, now we're going to install the countertop for the sink vanity. So first we want to put a bead of caulk to secure it all along the side here. It's kind of like decorating a cake. That's it. Get the pressure off. All ready for the countertop. Sarah do the heavy lifting here.
All right. Set it down.
Gently, gently.
Right.
It's on. Give her a little push down and
A little bit of caulk may come out.
it's okay. We'll wipe that up.